Before I say a single word, I want you to see something. Every clip you just watched, the lighting, the motion, the environments, all of it was generated by one AI tool. No stock footage, no camera crew, no editor spending 12 hours on a timeline, just text descriptions typed into a browser and results that look like that. The tool is called Higgsfield AI, and this entire video, every piece of footage you're watching right now, was made inside it. Welcome to Pixel Proof, where every video I review a tool, I build the whole video with that tool. Today we go first with Higgsfield. So what is Higgsfield? At its core, it's an AI video generation platform. You type a description of what you want to see, the camera angle, the environment, the motion, the mood, and it generates a clip. No filming, no editing, no assets required. It's built around several AI models, and the one I use most is Cinematic Studio 3.0, which produces the most realistic footage currently available on any platform. Pricing. There's a starter plan at around $20 a month, a pro plan at $50, and an ultra plan at $99. I'm on ultra. The difference is credits. Starter gives you enough for maybe 6 or 7 quality clips per month. Ultra gives you over 1,000 credits, and they roll over. Right now, I have 1,198 credits in my account. That's after making this entire video. Let me show you how it actually works. When you log in, you land on the Generate tab, you pick your model, Cinematic Studio 3.0 for realistic footage, Nano Banana 2 for product shots and thumbnails, and a few others for specific styles. You type your prompt, set duration, and aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Results come back in about 60 to 90 seconds. Here's the first prompt I used for the opening of this video. Cinematic close-up of a glowing monitor in a dark studio, electric blue light, shallow depth of field, camera slowly pulling back, ultra realistic, 8 seconds. And within 90 seconds, I had the clip you saw at the top. But I want to show you something more useful. I want to show you what doesn't work, because this is a review, not an ad. I tried a prompt that just said AI video generation on a computer screen. No camera angle, no lighting, no motion description. The result was fine, but fine isn't what you want for a YouTube channel. The AI needs specificity. Every prompt should include, at minimum, camera type or angle, environment, and lighting, subject motion, mood or style, and duration. Once I started including all 5 of those, my outputs went from okay to actually usable. The prompt formula I now use for every Higgsfield clip: camera and angle, cinematic close-up, overhead shot, slow tracking shot, then environment and lighting, dark studio, golden hour, neon lit urban, then motion, camera slowly pulling back, subject walking toward camera, light particles floating upward, then style, ultra realistic, cinematic, shallow depth of field, then duration, 8 seconds. That formula gets me professional grade results about 70 to 80% of the time on the first generation. Let me talk about the model differences, because this matters. Cinematic Studio 3.0 is the most realistic motion model they have. Environments, objects, abstract footage, it handles all of it well. Close-up faces and hands are still the weak point of any AI video tool right now, including this one. If you need a talking head or a close-up handshake, you'll see artifacts. But for backgrounds, B-roll, establishing shots, and anything without a human face in extreme close-up, Cinematic Studio 3.0 produces footage I'd put up against real stock video without hesitation. Nano Banana 2 is their image generation model, which I use for thumbnails. It runs faster, costs fewer credits, and produces clean product-style images. That's the model I used for the thumbnail you clicked on to get here. Now here is the 5-point scorecard. Quality, 4 out of 5. For environmental and abstract content, it's genuinely professional. The motion is smooth, the lighting is consistent, and the outputs look intentional rather than hallucinated. I'm taking 1 point off for the face and hands limitation. It's a real constraint if your content involves close-up human subjects. Speed, 5 out of 5, 60 to 90 seconds per generation at Cinematic Studio 3.0 quality. For comparison, Runway takes 2 to 3 minutes for equivalent quality, and Kling takes longer. Higgsfield is the fastest realistic video generator I've tested. Price, 3 out of 5, $20 a month sounds accessible, but if you're making content regularly, you'll burn through starter credits faster than you expect. I'd go straight to Pro at $50 if you're planning to publish more than 2 or 3 times a month. The credit system also makes it harder to budget than a flat monthly unlimited plan. Learning curve, 4 out of 5. The interface is clean and the models are well labeled. The only friction is learning to write good prompts, and that took me about a week of experimenting before my output quality became consistent. I'll link my full prompt template in the description so you can skip that week. Affiliate value, 5 out of 5. And I want to be transparent about this because it's relevant to anyone watching who runs a content business. Higgsfield has an affiliate program that pays up to 25% commission on referred subscriptions. They also offer creative partnerships, meaning if you're producing content about their tool, you can apply for a direct content deal worth up to $2,000. I've applied. I'll report back. So is Higgsfield worth it? Here's my straight verdict. If you're building a YouTube channel, a brand, or any kind of video content business, and you don't want to spend thousands on stock footage licenses or video production crews, Higgsfield is the best text-to-video tool available right now for realistic footage. It's faster than Runway, more cinematic than Pika, more accessible than VO, and the credit system, while imperfect, is manageable once you understand it. If you're on a tight budget, start with the free trial. Generate 5 or 6 clips and see if the quality meets your standard. If it does, Pro at $50 a month is the right entry point. The link to Higgsfield is in the description below. That is an affiliate link. If you sign up through it, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. That's how this channel funds itself, so I can keep testing tools and making these videos. Next Tuesday, I'm testing 11 Labs, AI voice cloning. I'm going to clone my own voice live on screen and show you how close it actually gets. The results surprised me. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is pixel proof, every tool reviewed, every video proven.